so
Well,
not really superstitious.
Sport, you know a bit about Steve Ovett cycling. They turn the number upside down when it's on the back of the jersey.
They do, yeah. There's a bit of worry if you get that number in cycling, yeah, because you're going downhill at 80k an hour with nothing between you and tarmac apart from a bit of lycra. Yes, you're gonna worry a little bit.
Athletes making their way across the bridge run, and it is spectacular. We said earlier in the broadcast, the bridge is only shut twice per year, once for the Blackmore Sydney Running Festival and once on New Year's Eve, which we know is a terrific celebration. So a wonderful and a rare occasion for everyone who competes here.
Interesting battle going on here, really, if you think about it, Steve. You've got the reigning champion, Ken Boy, against perhaps the pre-race favourite, Kip Rotich. Those two could have a bit of a battle, actually, over because, you know, Ken Boy knows the course. He knows what to happen. And last year he ran really well. Very comfortable winner last year.
Yes, he did. And you know, that's the difference. And whereas Kip Rotich, he's the better, well-credentialed, but it doesn't matter. They're both at such a high level that either could win. So certainly having won before does give you a distinct advantage.
This shows some of the forethought too going into this event, where a couple of the main roads are bridged, which means that obviously they can get the joy of running through Hyde Park and then straight on to the continuation of it. And terrific effort by Pond 3, the organisers, Athletics Australia, everyone involved to be able to make sure that it's a seamless transition.
Yeah, a little pinch. I never like going up and down those little bridges. Just can be a bit annoying and
changing gear
on your rhythm. Yeah, but they've managed to get over there pretty comfortably. Nice shaded part through Hyde Park as well, so they'll really appreciate that shade. Beautiful through that section of the course. So they've sort of done that section out, Centennial Park. They've come back into town. Now they wander out around the